Wagwan everybody, welcome to Country Boy Kitchen. It's me again, your girl TT. Today I'll be making garlic butter pasta and garlic chicken. Remember, like, subscribe, follow me, boom. Hey guys, so for my pasta I'm making garlic butter, right? So I'm gonna mince the garlic now and melt the butter for later because I want it to cool, alright? Watch me. I'm trying to get my garlic as fine as possible. Yeah, this is good enough. I'm gonna melt this with the butter. Alright, let's go to the stove. Alright guys, you need roughly a stick of butter to melt. This may be a little less than a stick, but this is good enough for me. I don't need more than this. And I'm just gonna add the garlic in. I don't want the garlic to get brown. I'm just adding it in with the butter. Just to basically melt. And this is what I'm going to pour on my pasta when I'm making the garlic sauce. Just melt the butter with garlic. That's it. Once the butter is melted, you can turn off your pot. Because I don't want my garlic to get brown, I'm just leaving it like this. And that's it. So guys, this is my chicken breast. I'm gonna kind of flatten my chicken breast a little. They recommend when you flatten your chicken breast, you start from the part that is thicker. So this is my thicker part. So I'm just gonna gently flatten it. Some people use the other side, but I like the flat side more. See? Just enough where it's flat, see? So it's kind of even, right? Alright. That's good for one piece. This side is thicker, right? So I'm just going to start here and go around. You're supposed to be doing it gently. I'm a little rough. Please forgive me. Don't be this mean to your chicken. Alright. Alright, so guys, now I'm gonna season my chicken with garlic, black pepper, and kosher salt. That's it. Because it's garlic chicken, so you want to put garlic powder on it. So I'm just gonna sprinkle the kosher salt on here. Sometimes I mix them together. I like mixing the season, like the garlic, the black pepper, and the salt together. But there are times when I don't have to. Chicken breast is a very tasty white part of the chicken, and it's easy to cook. So you don't need to do all of that. That's it. That's it, that's it, that's it. Alright guys, you need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's it. That is roughly 2 tablespoons. Just enough to these skillets are heavy. That's it. I'm gonna let it get hot and then I'm gonna put my chicken breast in. Seconds more and it's gonna be hot. So my file paper here is to put my chicken breast in and keep it covered when I'm finished cooking, to just keep it warm, and then I'll be making the pasta. Okay? Alright, I think my chicken is ready, my oil is ready. Drop salt. Yep, my oil is ready. That down. course, even though I don't waste anything, right? You're gonna let it cook on both sides for roughly 2 to 3 minutes, or until the chicken gets it cooked through, thoroughly through. So in a second I'm gonna check it, then I'll flip it. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn it. See? This one could go on another side. And for 2 more minutes on this side, and then we're going to take it outside. Alright guys, I'm ready to take out my chicken breast. And I'm going to keep it on my foil paper. Keep it nice and warm until I'm finished cooking my pasta. That's it. It's going to stay there nice and warm. I have rosemary, garlic, and salt boiling in the water for my pasta. And as soon as the pasta is cooked, we'll go straight into making the sauce. Alright guys, so I'm cutting up my onion, all my seasoning for my pasta. Okay? Alright guys, I'm doing my garlic again. You want to get your garlic as fine as possible. What do you think? This is fine enough? Yeah, I think so too. Nice and fine, right? Alright, my sweet pepper. Already been washed. Not going to chop these too fine because I want the beauty of the color to be showing inside the pasta. And the green one. Okay. Nicely done, right?
It's a country style.
Yep. These are my tomatoes, but all I'm doing to my tomatoes is just cutting them in half. These are gonna be added last to the veggies. Because you know tomato basically can't eat raw, so you know need to do nothing crazy to them. These bad boys are good for salads too. They're really tasty. There's so much may I use? That tells you that this is your veggie for your pasta. All this is your vegetable. Hey guys, I'm back again. So now I'll be making my sauce. So just like another tablespoon olive oil, and I'm gonna saute my garlic and my onion. I do these first because I like the fragrance and the flavor it gives. You can reduce your flame now, your sweet pepper. It's up to you if you want to chop your sweet pepper smaller, but I like mine a little bit big and chunky, so when I'm eating I can actually feel it in my mouth. Alright guys, this is my mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Again, you can make your mushrooms smaller, but I like mine big and chunky.
Just like Kuntree.
You heard him? And then, before I add my tomato, I'm gonna add my roasted garlic and red bell pepper seasoning. I love the smell of this. There's no salt in this. And I have garlic and onion right here. It's good to have spices in your cabinet. Alright guys, you have yourself a little onion powder and a little garlic powder. Because remember, garlic is the main seasoning in your dish. Alright, so garlic and onion powder. I wanted to add some crushed red pepper. And I'm not using any salt, I'm using my Maggi seasoning. Just a pinch of it. And that's it. Because the chicken breast and the pasta was already cooked with salt. And look, I reserved some of my pasta water to pour in there, along with my garlic sauce over here. You could have poured this first, it's up to you. Doesn't matter which one you pour first. Look how beautiful this is. And if you feel like you want more, you can pour some more. Or you can use vegetable stock or chicken stock, which I have both on hand just in case if I need it. And I'm gonna add my pasta in. All right, guys, I saved my tomato for last because I don't want my tomato to be crushed. Okay, so this is it. Then I'm gonna add my pasta in. Alright guys, there you go. And remember, I told you that if you want more liquid, you can use your chicken or vegetable broth. I'm gonna add some more pasta, and then I'm gonna add my vegetable or chicken broth, whichever one you have at hand. Or you can reserve more of the pasta water and use it again. So here's my broth. I'm adding. And that's it. Remember, your pasta is already cooked. I made sure it's al dente, so it's not soft. And I'll let this simmer for like a minute or two, and then it's done. That's it. Alright guys, this is our finished product, our garlic butter pasta and garlic chicken. You could have topped off this dish with some white wine and some Parmesan cheese. Remember to like, subscribe, follow Kuntree, alright, on every platform. Boom, we're out.